About Avatar grapes. Avatar grape is a modern and high-yield grape variety developed to improve quality and resistance in vineyards. It has recently gained popularity among grape growers and viticulture experts for its robustness and productivity. Origin. The Avatar grape is typically created through selective breeding or genetic improvement methods. It is known for its strong resistance to many common grape diseases, especially mildew and fungal infections. Appearance. The grapes are usually medium to large sized. They have relatively thick skins, which helps in longer storage and transportation. Color varies depending on the specific cultivar, ranging from red to black or blue hues. Characteristics. High yield. One plant can produce a substantial amount of fruit. Disease and pest resistance. Makes it easier to cultivate with less chemical treatment. Adaptability. Can thrive in both dry and humid environments. Taste. Balanced sweetness and acidity, making it ideal both for fresh consumption and winemaking. Cultivation tips. Avatar grapes grow best in sunny, well-drained soils. Regular watering and soil enrichment improve growth. Harvest when grapes are fully ripe for optimal taste and storage longevity.